Hi Blazers, welcome to the new video tutorial. In this video tutorial we're going to show you how to update your Microsoft Edge. Now it's very similar to how Google Chrome gets updated. It is Chromium, so it's pretty much the same thing, just with a facelift or a different type of facelift. So click on the three dots on the top right and go down to Help and Feedback. And in here you will see About Microsoft Edge right down the bottom at the last option. So you click that, it will take you to the About screen, and at the top you could just see there it did a check and it's checked and it's Microsoft Edge is up to date. That's how easy it is. If you haven't used Microsoft Edge in a long time, I know the first time that I just opened this up, it automatically did the update for me. So it instantly updates when you open it up, and then it'll give you a what's new kind of thing with Microsoft Edge. And I'll show you what that looks like as well. If we go back into here, and what's new and tips. So if we click that, so you'll get something like this that will tell you what's happening and what's new with Microsoft Edge. And as we know, Bing has become AI powered, and maybe that's another topic for another video, but that's how we basically do a simple update of Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video, and all the support is highly appreciated. Thank you again. See you on the next one.